She's a woman, give her peace, give her quiet, give her money, give her space, give her everything, she's your life. She's a woman with a...
Hi, I'm Greg Sletten. Welcome to Soundcheck. I'm here today with David Kay of the David Kay Band. So Dave, why don't you tell me a little bit about the David Kay Band and how it formed?
Well, the band kind of is a group of a collection of some high school buddies and some guys that I've met in my 15, 16 years of being around the lake.
Mm-hmm.
So
you've got how many members?
Between 2 or 3 on up to 8. We generally play most of the time 4 or 5.
Right.
Bass, drums, keyboards, guitar, and we add Dave Martin, sax player.
Oh, so you toss some horns in once in a while?
Yeah.
So you
sometimes.
play the piano in the band?
I play
right?
keyboards in the band. I can play bass and guitar, but the guys in the band play so
You
much
let
better
them do
than
their
us,
job,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. And I know you've got a lot of original music. So what is your inspiration behind what you write? How do you write your music?
Generally, it's, real life experiences, but, cruising down the road, you'll kind of a melody come to you. I mean, very often now with new technology, it's great. Boom, pop it into my phone, and then I don't forget it. But I mean, if you don't get it down right when you kind of first, as you know, because I know you're great, you write songs that just they go away. So.
Wake up in the middle of the night and you go back to bed and you're like, oh, where'd it go?
I dream songs. I'll wake up in the middle of the night and write them down and make sure I record them.
Which brings me to a point as far as like inspiration. What was if you think back as a child, what was your aha moment or your inspiration that made you want to be a musician?
My dad's a retired Methodist minister, but at the Eden Prairie United Methodist Church, we used to do these coffee houses and little rock shows, much to the chagrin of parishioners. We would turn the church into a nightclub. One day, Dad brought home these albums from the, LPs from the library, which you could do back then, and I was sitting home alone, threw this album on, Sgt. Pepper. I was about 10 or 11. This is before the coffee houses. And I heard Sgt. Pepper. I listened through that, and I was like, holy cow, halfway, because back in the day, you don't flip CDs. You had to flip them, and listen to the other side. And I got through the first. I was halfway through. I was like, oh my gosh, whatever that's doing to me, I want to be able to do to people. And then I flipped the other side, and I was like, done. Now I want to be the Beatles.
Now you're hooked.
All of the Beatles, all in one. A Beatle burrito is what I want to be.
The Beatle burrito, with the head sticking out one side, the feet sticking out the other.
And Beatle boots.
Let's go ahead and get to our first song. Okay. This one is called "Here for You."
Yeah, it's a love song. It's a love song I wrote about a gal about 20 years ago. She dumped me, and I was trying to tell her that I was here for her. I was still here for her, even though it's a pathetic gesture. It turned out to be not a bad song, in my opinion. I like it.
Well, that's good. Let's get to it.
You can cry most any night. I can feel your tears miles away. You don't seem right. I can curb your fears, 'cause you should know that I'm here for you. Love to show that I'm here for you. Love will grow when you know that I'm here for you. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. 'Cause I'm here for you. Can call me every night. ride me every day. In my heart there burns a light, only for you, yeah. But still I say that you should know that I'm here for you. Love to show that I'm here for you. Love will grow when you know that I'm here for you. Now don't let go, and don't let go, don't let go, 'cause I'm here for you. Well, I can't sleep without you. I wish I could, so I could dream about you. I'm so afraid that you'll let go. Don't let go, 'cause you should know. You should know that I'm here for you. Love to show that I'm here for you. Love will grow when you know that I'm here for you. Yeah. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go, 'cause I'm here, I'm here, I'm here for you.
Well, Dave, you guys have a really tight sound. I like the way you work together.
Thank you.
Sounds good. Can you tell me a little bit about the individual members of the people that were here today?
Yeah, the band generally has a guitar player. John Dunn couldn't be with us for the shoot today. Dave Lindahl, our former guitar player, who's a songwriting partner of mine, can play bass and learn these songs for us. And Dave and I have actually been playing together since we were kids, writing songs.
Okay.
He's a phenomenal guitar player as well. Dave Martin plays saxes, flute, actually plays other keyboards and guitar as well. Is always kind of he's like our sixth man in basketball, our fifth man when we go from 4 to 5, and just knows all my songs and is a phenomenal player.
That's good to have.
Yeah, he's great. And you know, when we have him or other horn players, they'll add some harmonies. He's got a great voice too. And Jim Wilson, we call him
on the drums.
Jimmy the Trunk, or actually we came up with a new nickname for Jim, Jim Class. That's
Jim Class?
Jim Class, classy guy playing the drums.
Classy
Just
guy.
solid. The thing
I've
about
seen him in a lot of their groups. So he must get along quite a
he's
bit, yeah.
works at the music store with you, Minnetonka Music, so those guys all know each other. It's just you play together for a while, you feel each other, you kind of know what you're doing. Get
Just
each other's
becomes that much easier,
nuances,
you know?
and
Yeah.
you know they're all good musicians, so timing and it's fun. It makes it a lot easier for me. I'm nothing without them backing me.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Well, let's go ahead and hear the next song.
I've been running to my wits' end. Ain't got nobody, not a single friend today. I've been running all day. I've been working way too hard. My defense is keeping up my guard all day. I've been working all day. All day, all day, I've been watching that clock, yeah. All day, I've been running around the same block, yeah. All day, listening to myself talk. All night, that's right, I'll be ready to ride, 'cause I've been running all day. I've been thinking I'm getting out of touch. Being on my mind way too much all day. I've been working all day. I've been hoping and I might call. Please remind me where I'm coming from today. I've been wondering all day. All day, I've been watching that clock. All day, I've been running around the same block. All day, listening to myself talk, yeah. All night, that's right, I'll be ready to ride, 'cause I've been running all day, I've been running all day long. Why's the music in my head this song all day? I've been running all day. Now I'm ready to tell you true. Tonight is what I'm gonna do to you. Yeah. Oh, I've been waiting all day. All day, I'm watching that clock, yeah. All day, I've been running around the same block, yeah. All day, listen to myself talk. All night, that's right, I'll be ready to ride, 'cause I've been running all day.
Well, that was a great song, Dave. I really enjoyed that.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit. I've been hearing around the Lake Minnetonka area, that is. That's where you're famous. About this rock star wannabe. Can you tell me a little bit more about what that is?
It's a TV show we've been doing. We did some live singer-songwriter competitions in Suburban World Theater in Uptown all this last year, and this coming we'll be changing the name to Big Star US Tour.
Big Star
So
US
it's less, you know, Bret Michaels. It's non-genre specific. Just looking for great singers, singer-songwriters, or just songwriters, doing these shows around the country and filming that and patching together my quest to try to find these undiscovered stars.
I heard something about a bus. Are you going to be?
I'm trying to buy a bus. I've looked at several so that I can tour, throw the logo on the side, and roll into town. And
Will that be your permanent residence then, or you can go have a home to go back
50%.
to? Yeah, well, it sounds like fun. But
Yeah, no, it's a good thing. So BigStarUSTour.com.
okay, that's a great way to find out about that. Well, why don't we get to your next song? We got Yes, She Does?
Yeah,
Any
Yes, She Does.
story on
It's
that?
just a real life story. A friend that I met, this gal, and we had a funny, everything that happened in our relationship was kind of funny, and just wrote it down.
All right.
Sang it.
Well, great. Let's hear it.
Met her standing in a barroom. It was almost closing time. As we were walking towards the front door, the opportunity was mine. I asked her, should we have another drink at your place? She said, I don't have any ice. I said, I'll pick some up, give me an address. She did, and I drove off thinking she looked nice. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. She mixed me a drink when I got there. Sat up and talked until 5 a.m. I remember the beautiful smile on her face. I couldn't wait to see it again. Now she buys me shirts and towels, pillows and the sheets and soap and things. Bottled water and Coca-Cola brings me joy with everything. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. World might tell me she don't love me. Somehow I believe it's true. Calls and says she's thinking of me. Sometimes I don't know what to do, because she loves me. Yes, she does. Calls my coffee shop a crack house. Calls me every morning at 7 a.m. Cooks me food and she mixes my cocktail. Fixes my collar again and again and again. Kisses me long and she kisses me deep. If we could stop time, we would right then. She loves to call me her big daddy. I say, what? And then she says it again. Hey, yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Oh, yes, she does. She does. She does. She does. She does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yeah, yes, she does.
I've heard about this Navigator. It's a paper, a weekly or monthly paper.
It's a
that-
monthly lifestyle magazine, Greg.
Okay. Magazine. Okay, good. good.
A
Let's get it clear.
magazine-style newspaper, if you're curious.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of between the weekly classifieds, police reports, the 1-minute shelf life, and the glossy, pretentious "Who is at the charity function" mailed to your junk mail.
Yeah. And you're in charge of this
I'm
paper?
right in the middle. It's I own it, publish it, do a touchy-feely column, and have a bunch of fabulous columnists, and it's a snapshot of your lifestyle of the lake.
How long have you been doing that for?
16 years,
16?
big map in the middle, tells you where to
Nice.
land your boat and get a cocktail. And
So you're going to do that forever then, huh?
I'm willing to have somebody come along and help me with it because I want to do this rock star wannabe turned into BigStarUSTour.com. So no, if anybody be interested in coming over and taking over some of the duties, I still want to be involved. But for the
So
right,
you'd still write or maybe sell some
do my
ads or whatever?
yeah. So
Well, how do they get a hold of you for that?
what up at Big Star US Tour is the easiest way. What up at Big Star US Tour.
And then is there a number for the Navigator, or is that the same thing?
612-998-LAKE, which is 5253 to you.
Very good. Well, let's go ahead and get to the next song. It's She's a Woman. That's
She's a Woman is a song I dreamed it. It was like I woke up and I was singing this song. I was like, oh, I'm singing a song. So I kind of scribbled it down and fell asleep and woke up, went to the bathroom and realized I didn't remember waking up to write the song. And in the dream, Springsteen came in playing along with it, and I was like, wow, I better.
Is he in the song now, Springsteen?
I don't think so.
Ooh, okay.
Not yet.
That would make it, a little different.
I would like that.
Yeah. Well, let's go ahead and hear it.
She's a woman, get her in, get her seated, get her happy. She's so pretty. Get her a glass of wine, yeah. She's a woman, keep your head, keep it steady. She took so much time getting ready, baby. She's so fine. She's a woman, baby, you better keep your head. She's a woman, she'll remember every word you say. She's a woman, while you work all day, she's gonna make you pay. Better learn to pray. She's a good woman, she's gonna make you stay. She's a woman, give her peace, give her quiet, give her money, give her space, give her everything, she's your life. She's a woman with a tongue that'll kiss, hit or miss, it'll sweet talk and walk up and cut you like a knife. She's a woman, baby, you better keep your head. She's a woman, she'll remember every word you say. She's a woman, while you work all day, she's gonna make you pay. Better learn to pray, yeah. If she's a good woman, she's gonna make you stay. 'Cause she's a woman, yeah. She's a woman, it's a pity she ain't yours, she's mine. Yeah, she's a woman, soft and pretty by God's design. She's a woman, even if she makes you lose your mind. You didn't need your mind, no. 'Cause she's a woman. She's a woman, tell her how good she looks. Hold the door, hold the chair, baby, you better stay in line, yeah. She's a woman, give her listen, give her ring, give her a minute, give your life, baby, you better give your mind. She's a woman, baby, you better keep your head. She's a woman, she'll remember every word you She's a good woman, she's gonna make you stay. 'Cause she's a woman, 'cause she's a woman, why do we pray? 'Cause she's a woman, why do we stay? 'Cause she's a woman.
Well, it's been another great show, and I'd like to thank all you guys for joining us. And on the behalf of the David K. Band, we just want to keep you guys jamming. And thanks for joining us here at the LMCC on Soundcheck. Keep on jamming. You guys ready to play?
Yep.
All right. Sounds good.
Thanks, Greg, for
Take it away.